A typical public market, locally known as a palengke in the Philippines. In Butuan City, we call it as Mercado Langihan. Mercado Langihan is usually composed of several dozen stalls arranged in rows under a shared roof. Management is usually by the local governmental units whose jurisdiction encompasses the physical location of the market.
Ang pili lang lang. Sa para sa usahan lang. Sa amo. Gulayan. Lapay din siya. Lapay pili mo na. Napapoy mo kuan sa mga rinjing. Nami yung malit sa kanal. Ini mga karinderya. Napapalit din ng mga rinjing. Parehan yan ang mga mapati ng naong. Oo. Parehan. Baligyan na ang unang ginamo niya na binta kanang sa liha. Ang kuan niya na walay lain choice, ipausos na nimo 120 to ang 110 kay within 1 hour musos day na timbang. Kuha ka litong isa ka kilo 100 kilos. Pagabot diri musos gina siya timbang 5 kilos. Dali ra kay na siya musos dali na mainitan wala kuyos na. Kuha na po sa wala.
In recent years, the typical Mercado Langihan has been supplanted by larger, more commercialized shopping centers. The rise of shopping malls and supermarkets have also been cited as threats to the old-school public market. In a 2002 article, the president of the National Federation of Market Vendors Cooperative
One man ka ng halin season ba? Depende na siya pag ang sweldo di sila may puso hapit ang sweldo hinay niya siya ano may kwarta Christmas mga okasyon ba
Pag harvest season kuya, ako din sa bisaya ko parang putas kuya ba, dagay ko yung pagalit na or pag sa presyo ninyo na kaya ubos yun ang mga niya. Ang brand
depende man na siya kung mahal ang balik hindi nang taas-taasan sa pero barato galis ito bubagsak nila para dali rin kung mahurog.
Here in Philippines, if your daily work is to lift heavy loads of 86.6 kilos pig meat to bring inside the public market, then you are being paid for 500 pesos more or less. That's 14,000 Philippine pesos per month. So the only capital for this type of low-level job is your body build. It is a capital, it is an asset. This type of work, although a low-level type of earning a living, but it's still an honest, good, and at least you work while you are being paid. And since your capital is your body, you should take care of your health too. But if your body collapses, then tomorrow's earnings to a halt. While liquors and cigarettes are the primary reason for the deterioration of health. To take note that open public market is full of virus everywhere. A little preview inside Butuan Wet Public Market where you can buy meat, fish, seafood, vegetables, and fruit. This is the biggest public market here in Butuan City. Butuanans are used to buy in this particular area, especially for those who have their house near here. low income earn or high income earnings, it doesn't matter. It's about how the people spend their money, either in liabilities or a plan for their new assets.
Gabayad ba ang festival? Gabayad
Anyway, ano ba yung lisensya? Sa store lang doon, sa store there's naging lisensya. Kaya pwede makabalik siya o pwede.
lagi, no? So, public man kita siya din, no? So, pila man ba di mo rent na dirikol?
Whether a monthly or 400 a day.
480 monthly?
Sa store rat.
Sa Solra. Kanira gid siya. Akong apil na niya siya 100 pero kaligyan ko pa lang.
Nagkape.
Ay, so,
Kaya ang lisensya lang eh, sa lada lang yun.
yun.
Full year.
Pila may maniyo magasto para sa lisensya mo? Sa
Or na 20,000.
mahal pa day ko, no? 20,000?